morning to all the lovely people out there. Myself Nirmala Narayan, she's Vidya Vaki from the Yoga Room. And guys, today we're vlogging at an event organized by the Global Arc Foundation and it's held at Kormangla Badmash. Okay?
Yeah.
And so that's why we all decked up also.
Yeah, check out our accessories.
Yeah. And we're excited, yeah, as usual.
Can't wait. Catch you soon. There we are, our reflection.
Hi.
Hi. Here we are at Badmash now,
Yeah.
and we're ready to all set. We are ready to go in. Have you been to Badmash earlier?
Yeah, just once. Yeah.
When?
With Inner Circle. I think you were not there.
No.
Yeah.
How dare she go without me? Inner Circle is our close group of friends. We call ourselves Inner Circle. I'm going to see
Yeah.
later. Okay. First, we'll go in. So here we enter, and hi.
Thank you
Hello.
so much
Hi.
for coming.
He's Karthik Govardhan.
Hi.
Hi, that's Nirmala. Come in. Where do we go? Hi guys. So we're going to meet the founders of GAP. This one is Prashant, Karthik, and Govardhan sir. That is Nirmala as usual. I'm Vidya. Do you guys want to introduce yourself? Talk a little about your GAP.
See, of course. So, why Vidya and Nirmala are here? Because we are going to come up with a new website which is mainly focused upon crowdfunding of NGOs. Our main intention here is to help the NGOs which are really underprivileged, who are really struggling to even serve a day's meal for a pig. Because there are a lot of people during this particular pandemic whom we saw personally, they were struggling so much for the funds to do welfare for the society. And that's why we thought we have to come up with a platform which serves the needy, which serves the actual needy, not just the random needies or the random fakers. So we are focusing completely upon exclusivity of each and every campaign here and help each and every NGO to meet their needs and to serve welfare for the society. And that's how we are with today's launch of GAF. And it was really sweet of Nirmala and Vidya to come here and help us in this coverage. So I would also like Karthik and Govardhan to speak a few words now.
Yes. By the way, the silent guy who's sitting there, GAP is the brainchild of Mr. Govardhan.
Yes.
So we should not let him come and talk from there.
After the opening, after this pandemic, when I and Prashant met, we had a lot of discussion. Like we had this in the brain. So how to move, how to go about. Actually, his expertise are in marketing. So when we started initially, he joined and we were joined by Syed.
What I do in GAF is that the short term would be a storyteller. So my job is to put across all the content in the right way as possible. So I create the videos and the written articles that you see on GAF. So that's my part of work.
So where do we see it? It's on the website.
So it's on the website. So you can find all the content on globalartfoundation.com, and we'll also have the content put up on Instagram and YouTube as well.
So, a glimpse behind the scenes. A lot of preparations going on. Yes, that's Prashant. Let's go talk to some of the guests who have come here. Hi, this is Vidya. How do you know about this event? We are the vloggers for the event. And how do you know about this event?
So, we are one of the NGOs that are doing a presentation out here for the fundraising campaign.
Okay. Oh, okay.
That's nice.
So, may I know the name of the NGO?
It's Encompass.
Encompass. Okay. You both are colleagues?
So, we are the founder members. So, I am Pavitra.
Oh,
And we are 5 founder members.
is it? And you got called by Global Arc Foundation?
Yes. So,
Okay.
I think there are 4 to 5 NGOs who are helping us with the fundraising.
Okay.
So, that's how we got in touch with Prashant.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, he's helping us with the entire campaign for Encompass.
How nice, how nice. So happy to meet you. So we done. Bye. We're going to, let's go. Hi ma'am.
Hello.
This is Vidya and Nirmala. We are the vloggers for the event. May I ask you, how do you know about GAF?
My son Enoch is one of the people who's painting in the project.
Oh, is it? Wow, that's fantastic. His name is Enoch?
Enoch.
Okay, and he's painting the place.
Yes.
How nice, how lovely. So have a nice time, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Your good name?
I'm Uma.
Uma. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
This is our creativity during the event while we wait for the event to start. Yeah,
My
that looks
glasses.
better. One of the founders, Prashant, kicked off the presentation with a sweet smile and brief PPT describing their goal to help the deserving through their one-of-a-kind online and offline campaign model. The other three co-founders, Govardhan, Karthik and Saeed, were equally impressive in their presentation to help an array of NGOs, startups and mainly the people. They also spoke about GAF's initiative with 21 Collective to transform an underprivileged school. Now we've just come out, the event is still on, all the NGOs are giving their presentations.
It's quite a good one.
It's quite a good one. But I wonder, how is this vlog going to help them?
How, Andre? I have no idea. But let's see. Let's hope for the best.
I really hope that this vlog reaches out to as many as people as possible and resonate with the kind of dedication they have towards their work to help the needy. Hoping that this vlog will help them in some way or the other.
Yeah.
Tell a thing or two about marketing, because I know a thing or two about marketing. Been doing this from almost 4 years now, and I'm also a gold medalist. I don't know brag about myself, but I'm a gold medalist.
A scrumptious, well-planned 5-course meal was served on our table, which was so delicious and tasty, which we thoroughly enjoyed, while representatives from various NGOs like Prarambha, Last Ripple and Encompass put their best foot forward to share their stories and how they were determined to bring about a meaningful difference in people's lives. This is Encompass and Last Ripple, which was closest to my heart. Their goal, their vision was truly beyond any measure. With our tummies full, now it was time to celebrate the countdown for the website launch. So the event is almost over. We're just going to take a couple of NGO people and talk to them. Let's go. Hello, sir.
Namaskara.
Namaskara. Yeah.
So, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಈ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ?
ಅಂದರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್
ಹೌದು. ಅವರಿಂದ
ಹೌದು
ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಹೌದು ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ.
ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು
ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ
ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೌದು
ಸೊ
ಎಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್?
ಸೇವಾಶ್ರಮ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ್ಪುರ
ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ್ಪುರ.
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು 21.
ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್.
So, thank you. Yeah. It's 3 o'clock and the event is still on. We came here at 12:30
Yeah.
and I'm tired. We are tired.
Yeah, but you don't look.
Thank you. Why did you stop me? Mandatory selfie of the group is over. That is.
So guys, we are officially done with the event now and we are very tired. No?
Exactly.
It was tiring.
It was exhausting.
So all of you,
And nonetheless, we had great fun.
good food.
Good food.
Yeah.
Loved the food.
And
good
nice
people.
place.
Nice place.
Nice
Nice people. We met quite a few of them. Do watch our vlog on YouTube.
And do follow us on Instagram, okay? Nirmala Narayan Vidyabhakti.
The Yoga Room by Vidyavati.
Yeah, sorry, the yoga room. Okay, signing off. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Take care.